Ready for this carnivore grilled cheese? Give this video a like if you are. Here's the basic version of it. Grab you a bowl and add in 1 ounce of ground pork rinds, along with 2 eggs, and a half teaspoon of baking powder. Give this a good forking and let it rest for 5 minutes. It'll look the same after 5 minutes, but just a little more thick. Grab a parchment or baking mat lined pan and pour your mixture onto it. Spread it evenly, making a rectangle. Once you're satisfied with that, place it into an oven that's been set to 365 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes or until firm all the way through. Trim up your edges if you're feeling like it. And then cut this bad boy in half. Well, half-ish. Lay down a slice of absolute garbage onto each side, and then top one side with a bit of cheddar cheese. Bring this over to a pan that's set to medium-high heat, and place down some butter. The butter is essential for the flavor and the color of our grilled cheese, so it's not an optional ingredient. Unless you just don't like butter. Lay each of your soon-to-be grilled cheese slices down in the butter, and run it through it to coat it evenly by moving it around in the pan. Let cook in the butter for 30 seconds to 1 minute, or until golden brown on one of the slices. Place the trash cheese only slice atop the cheddar trash side and let this sit for another 30 seconds before flipping and repeating. Remove and cut you a nice triangle of grilled cheese and enjoy. This one I'll give a surprisingly nostalgic out of 10. Let's say you find yourself without a plate to hold your bacon and eggs. What do? Turn it to a grilled cheese, and definitely not a breakfast sandwich. Take your bread, 2 slices of trash, shingle your bacon, lay down your eggs, cook it in butter, crack a little black pepper on your egg sandwich, I mean grilled cheese, flip it, and then cut into a triangle and enjoy. Maybe you want to feel like a child and reminisce about the first time you added deli meat to your grilled cheese. Take your bread, lay down a slice of trash on one side and a bit of cheddar to the other. On the cheddar side, place down a few slices of roast beef, and on the trash side, a few slices of ham. Add an optional middle slice of American cheese and cook in butter. Flip it. Cut your grilled Black Forest roast ham beef cheese into triangles and enjoy. Got any leftover pulled pork hanging around in a pan? Take your bread, lay down a slice of trash on one side and a bit of cheddar on the other, for complexity. And let's just fast forward through this part. Ah, delicious. This pork is a vinegar sauce and it cuts the cheese nicely. Okay, at this point you know how to make one of these. In fact, I'm assuming you've mastered it, but our final grilled cheese is a tuna melt. Yes, a tuna melt is a grilled cheese, so don't ask questions. Okay, one more fast forward. There we go, look at it. Glorious, tasty. Thank you Patreon supporters for the support, it really means a lot to me. And thank you to my Instagram community for the suggestions. See y'all in the next one.